All I did was look at you, all hopeful I'm going to say something important.
Jamie, you do not sit.
Look, I fucking want to sit down! You do not tell me when to sit down! You do not control what I fucking... Look at me now!